I see this bird just kind of hopping around the sidewalk. And it's just tiny, just a little finch. And so I went out to the front door and could see that it had some white on the end of its wings on the back. I look out and I see these kids walking by. I wasn't sure if they were gonna injure the bird, honestly.
I was on my way to school, me and my brother. I noticed this little bird, and so I stopped. I thought that I should help it and maybe see if someone could get help for it so then I wouldn't be late for school. But then someone came out and took it inside.
I think if they wouldn't have gone out like that, I probably would have sat in my bedroom, trying to figure out what to do. I go out to help out, the kids run off to school. When I went out to see the bird, I could see that its wingtips on the back were iced over and they're frozen together, so it couldn't unfold its wings, it couldn't fly. And I brought it back inside to see what I could do. Kind of brushed off the snow a little more, and I saw that, it had a block of ice on the wingtips. After about 10-15 minutes, the ice had thawed. I kind of patted down the end of its wings with a paper towel, try to get it as dry as I could. But I knew it wasn't a baby, it was older. As you can see in the video, it just hops up on my finger, sits there, it's just kind of chirping, looking around, and then it actually turned around to look at me and started chirping at me. I honestly thought it would just immediately take off, but it seemed like it wanted to say thank you. I held it up and kind of pointed, it towards the direction of that bush. I think that's when it took off into the tree. But yeah, it definitely warms your heart when you do something like that, or even if you just watch a video like that.